we don't even have it in sport mode.
That's cool. I love that little camera.
Is that what that is?
Yeah, so it can scan whoever's is in the car.
Oh, so
Yeah.
it knows.
It's kind of like Face ID. Is the way I
Nice.
look at it.
So that's
you
how
and
it
Doug
knows.
can set up your home thing. Yeah,
Nice.
it's pretty cool. I've never seen that in the car before.
But it does feel like it handles in the wind better than my CX-9. Okay. Yeah, it definitely goes.
Yeah.
It's smooth. Shifting is real smooth.
I think you're gonna like it.
The stereo sounds really nice too. I'm impressed by that.
No, I liked it.
Yeah, I really like it. It feels really nice. It is fun.
Yeah, you'll like it.
I'm really looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to having a little more space, a little bit different functionality of things like wireless CarPlay.
Yeah.
I literally thought about it. I have had a Mazda vehicle for
20-some years, gotta be it.
I had a used one before I bought my